Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars. Today we've got a 2024, this is a GMC Denali 2500 HD Ultimate. It has the Ultimate package. It's got 74,000 miles. MSRP on this truck was $95,000. It's got everything. It's got the tailgate speakers. It's got heated and cooled massage seats, power boards. It's got a tonneau cover, cab lights, rear vision camera, adaptive cruise control, heads up display, everything. Power rear glass. Very nice truck. 74,000 miles is a lot of miles, but the truck does not look like it's got 74,000 miles. It was highway miles. This is on consignment from my customer. So it's not dented and scratched up. It does need a set of tires. Tires are a little weak. Probably time for another set. Take a look here. You'll see Ultimate right there. It is a diesel, obviously. Very clean, non-smoker, clean Carfax. It's got that real nice interior. The Bose sound system. Take a look at the front seat. Real good condition here too. It's not all worn out. No cracking, nothing like that. Armrest looks really good here. Of course, we'll take a look at this armrest. It looks really good there too. No problems. Trailer brake controller. So all your buttons and switches for everything. Of course, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sunroof. 4-wheel drive. Very, very nice truck. Very clean. Get a big discount because of the miles. Got service records on the Carfax. Front end looks great. So give us a call, text, email. Get back to you as soon as we get your message. If you need to finance, you can go on to the website, rogersmotorcars.com. You can click the finance tab. You can fill out the form. It takes you straight to the lender. We don't see any of that information. You can also bring your own financing if you like. You can work with any bank. And if you need it shipped to you anywhere in the country, we can do that too. We ship a lot of deals. So we'll ship it right to your driveway. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. Click subscribe to the channel. See all the videos we post, walk around videos, projects we're working on, stuff that's coming in the pipeline. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.